Chicago.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
Use my name in the street. My name is my name.
All right, YouTube. I got this one taped off. So we're gonna go ahead and spray it. I ain't gonna spray it on the ground though. I'm gonna spray it and put it on something. Got it taped off so we can go and clean the carpet up. So y'all see it. Y'all see. Got the grills already cleaned up and painted. So let me get to it. Alright, YouTube. We getting it together. I still gotta spray some more. Matter of fact, I gotta go get another can or two or three. I haven't bought them all out around here, so. I was just in Hazelcrest yesterday. I should have stopped out that way. But coming on together, man. Coming on together. Then I just thought about it. I forgot my man channel. I'm gonna put it in this corner. I'm gonna use this switch and the wire to run my Escalade side mirrors. I've had them since I had that Avalanche, because you could turn them in and turn them out. And he just did some. I'm gonna put a link to the description. He be dropping some nice videos, electronics and stuff like that. Cause I follow some of everybody, man. Y'all wouldn't believe it. And I be commenting and doing everything else just like I do it by normal people. So. Yeah. So y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna get them all together. Get them all together nice and clean, nice and clean. Yep. So, all right, YouTube, stay tuned. Probably drop another video. I got some stuff to do today. So, be busy for a couple hours. I'm right back at it, man. Right back at it. Yep. What else? That other Yukon video is coming soon. I got a couple videos dropping soon, so y'all just stay tuned, man. All right.